सुप्रीम कोर्ट से वो तारीखी लम्हात की वीडियो जब वो फैसला सुना रही थी और बैरिस्टर गौर की क्या हालत थी, वीडियो देखिए।
To safeguard the interest of women and non-Muslims, as a consequence whereof the candidates who had submitted their nomination papers and or affiliation certificates by the last date of withdrawal of the nomination papers declaring that they belong to PTI and had not filed a document showing affiliation with another political party should have been treated as the parliamentary party of PTI. But needful was not done by the ECP. Consequently, the PTI as a parliamentary party is entitled to the reserve seats to such extent that ECP should recalculate and reallocate the reserve seat amongst the political parties, including the PTI, as provided by Article 51(6)(d) and (e) of the Constitution. The candidates who had submitted the nominations papers by 24 December 2023, which was the last date of submission of nomination papers, and had declared themselves either as the independent candidates or left blank the relevant column in the nomination papers declaration and were elected, shall be considered to be independents. SIC is a registered political party and every independent member of parliament and the provincial assemblies has a right to join it. All those who joined the SIC are presumed to have done so out of their own free will. None of them claim to have joined SIC because of any misunderstanding of any judgment, the law, compulsion, coercion or undue influence, and it is not for this court to presume otherwise. We must ensure that words are not read into the Constitution, nor to ascribe artificial meaning to commonly understood words.
नाज़रीन इकराम, ये वो तारीखी लम्हात हैं जिसको तारीख कभी नहीं भूलेगी। बैरिस्टर गौर की हालत को आपने देखा। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिज़र्व सीटों का फैसला तहरीक इंसाफ के हक़ में सुनाकर पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान की आवाम के दिल जीत लिए।